This is a natural recipe to cleanse the lungs and stop coughing. First, we are going to peel a banana. Preferably use a ripe banana, okay? And then we're going to grind it on a plate. While after grinding the banana, in a glass, we are going to add 200 milliliter of boiling water on top of the banana. That done, we stir it up a bit. Then we let it rest for about 15 minutes. After that time, we pass it through a sieve. Then we pass it through the strainer. We won't use this solid part of the banana, okay? We will only use the liquid part. But I will also show you another option that is honey. Honey. Better flavor, also has various benefits. I advise using natural honey, okay? Here, we are only going to use a tablespoon of honey, and we stir it until it's uniform and ready. If you like more cough remedies, type below, yes, I need more. Thank you very much.